Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In many of my videos where I am making a cake or cupcakes, I also have some frosting or chocolate ganache that goes with the cake that we're making in the specific video. Many people often ask me, where is the link to the chocolate ganache or the frosting? And the simple answer is all you need to do is scroll down your page, so where you see the video, scroll down, and underneath the video you'll find an area here which is called the text box or the description box. If you are using a mobile device, this area is hidden by default, and you must click a little arrow that will open up this area so that you can see it. Once it's open, you can scroll down and it will reveal all of this information. This information pertains to the video that you just watched. In this example, somebody asked me, where is the recipe for the chocolate ganache that goes with the mini chocolate birthday cake? And the answer is right here. So all you need to do is just click on here. If you're on a computer, you click it with your mouse, or if you're on a mobile device like an iPad or a phone, you'll just simply click that with your finger and it will take you directly to that recipe. So this little text box with lots of extra information exists on every single one of my YouTube videos. So simply scroll down and then you'll see all the extra info that you may need. So that's it for this little video tip. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.